Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is more tips. On today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can make 10 winning figures using my new BET9JA strategy. Alright, so stay with me and let's go into it guys. So first and foremost, all you need to do is you go into your BET9JA frequency table. What you're going to be doing here, you're going to be selecting and identifying the code numbers from the odd numbers. What I mean by code numbers is that code numbers are numbers that are not meant to come out anytime soon, while the odd numbers are numbers that can come out often and often. So that's just a difference. So you'll be selecting the code numbers out of the odd numbers, then you'll be playing them and it's going to be coming out straight away. All right, so let's go guys. So now just watch. Okay, let me go into it guys to be very sure of the numbers I'll be selecting. Okay, and see. All right, I've seen, but the time is against us, so I need to wait and chill. So after this, I'll quickly go back again and check the numbers, then I'll strike them. All right, so let's see. All right, very good. So let's go again. Okay. So, okay. All right, so let's go guys. I've seen some certain code numbers which I'll be using. Okay, and don't forget this pattern, you can go more than, like, if you select the code numbers can work for you for like 3 good times before you can change it, before you could change it, or before you may decide to change it. All right, so let's see guys. Please note, when you're using this stuff, you don't stake all your money, you don't stake all on it. Reason is that it's not that it's not going to come, but if you stake all, you might get caught. All right, so it's more advisable you stake almost all. Like, you can just leave little amount of a token, leave it there, because this pattern is more like a trick. Understand? Don't forget I said you can go 3 times using this code number, because those code numbers don't usually pops up every time. Okay, so when you can be able to select the code numbers from the odd numbers, then you can stake it more than, in fact, you can stake it 3 times or 2 times. Understand? Don't forget I said don't stake all. Make sure you have token left. That's how the strategy works, because it's more like a trick. Anybody who understand who has this, who is going to get this thing, will understand what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, so this is our second winning. Don't forget I said you can go 10 times. You can make use of this strategy and boom, 10 times. Like, I'm very serious. But before we bet on that same numbers, you need to check. Let's go and check if the numbers are still on code, because if they are not on code and you went to stake it again, you might end up losing your money. So we don't want to lose our money. All right, so they are still on code, so we bet on it again. I don't want to stake all, because that's where the trick lies on, but it's very effective, very effective if he knows how to just identify the code numbers from the odd numbers. That's all. All right, that's our third winning. So let's go guys and check if they are still on code or not, or no more, or no longer on code. Okay, let's oh, it has changed. So let me select another numbers. Let me see. Okay, all right, let me check again. All right, so I've seen some other numbers. I need to quickly play. Okay. Ish. I was unable to, bet high, but let's just see if it's gonna come. This is 34.30. Boom, guys. That's our fourth winning, guys. You need to be very fast when you're using this strategy, because time is always against anytime you're playing on BET9JA or you're playing on anyone, but you just have to be very fast. Okay, so let's check again if that numbers, that certain numbers is still on code. Let's see. 24 30 MC. I need to be very sure. All right, they are still on code, so we can go again and stake on it. So now I can, since I have much time, I can actually go on it and stake. But I won't stake all though. I told you it's more like a trick. Make sure you leave some token down. All right, so let's see again. 3430, it is going to show up. Another boom. This is our fifth winning, guys. This is our fifth winning, guys. All right, so you go again, you check if those numbers are still on code numbers, guys. Just let's watch again. 34 and 30. Okay, this process is very, very easy if you follow the process, and if you knows how to calculate, and if now knows how to identify those code numbers from the odd numbers. That's all. You'll be making your figures, like your money is certain. You won't have issues at all. I can make this. You can be cashing out on a single daily basics. On this very every day you'll be cashing out. No doubt, no doubt, guys. So let's say again, this will be our sixth winning after this. Boom. You can see this is our sixth winning, guys. You can use this process for 10 times in a day. Don't forget, me, I use it just 10 times in a day. As for you, you can decide to use it more than 10 times. But to me, I feel like anything that makes me to boom on this system 10 good times, what am I waiting for? What am I doing there? I should have gotten what I want, then come back the next day and do it again. So that's just how I've been doing. That's how I feel about it. So I don't know if you feel like you need to if you feel like you need to make more. I think it's okay to me. All right, so I'll be stopping here, guys. This will be the seventh winning because of the time. I don't want to spend much time on the system. I think this one is okay for me. This is another boom. So guys, you can see this is the seventh winning, and the time is almost 7 minutes. I don't want to spend much time because of when uploading to YouTube. I don't want it to get too long. All right, so guys, if you want this strategy, if you want this process, you can easily come to me, and I can I can tell you where you can get it. The only thing you need here is how to identify the code numbers from the odd numbers. That is all. Don't come to me and be telling me you want me to be able to give you the one that you stake like 4 times. That you'll be able to select 4 numbers. Please, you can see the video. It's just 2 numbers I'm selecting. The odd might be small, but in as much you are winning and you are not losing, definitely you'll be getting your money. All right, you'll be getting your money. So don't come to me and be telling me I should make sure I should get you the one of 4 numbers or the one of please. So anytime you're ready, just come over to me. It is still very much effective at the moment. Win as much as you can, as long as you knows, as long as you watch the as long as you get the lesson and you're ready to make money from the system. So this is how it's been done. So guys, see you guys on my next video. I also have a pattern, a lesson on my high and low. I've worked on it and it's now working now. I'll be making a video about it very soon. Okay, so see you guys, stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Please subscribe if you haven't joined my channel. Subscribe. There are more videos or more free videos I'll be posting very soon. Okay, so take care and God bless. Bye.